Tony Mitchell, introducing a standard operating procedure on a return gate with Paul Berrill. So Paul, I'm just going to go run through our standard operating procedure, SOP, in regards to future use of a return gate that we use for greyhound racing. I've given you a copy of the SOP. If you like, we'll just go through it and just slowly go through process by process. So important to start with, you have the appropriate PPE, which includes high-vis clothing, steel cap boots, glasses and gloves, possibly for sharp edges. So you're clear on that. It's clearly stated on the SOP. Operating instructions, this is to be implemented on race days, potential trial days, so when the clubs are actually doing trials for greyhounds. And the aim of the return gate is to basically, once a race is completed into our catching pen, that the return gate is to hold the dogs within a designated area. So if we go over to the back, the idea is to stand behind the gate in a safe area. You unlock the gate and hold in position. You are to stand to the 3 metre mark, which is 3 metres from the bottom end of the gate to keep you out of the exclusion zone, which is highlighted there. Once the race or trial has started, you keep your eye on the process of the race. The dogs will proceed past the finish line. Once they finish past the finish line, you ensure that all dogs are within the area. Then you close the gate promptly, just to ensure that the dogs are safe within the encatched area. Maintain a satisfactory position in the majority of the field, so attendant is required to make a decision on closing a gate. So really it's at your discretion, but you need to keep an eye on it. Safety is a priority at all times. You encourage, once the dogs are within the catching pen area, you encourage them to distract with a loud voice. Pay attention where the catchers are to ensure that they're in safety. They're the people and the greyhounds at all times. And once the dogs have been secured by the catchers, they're on their leads, they're clipped, they're being scanned by the operator.